This is a pack of Shin Ramyun. We got a piece of noodle. This is vegetable, dry vegetable. And the seasoning. Now put the seasoning inside. The dry vegetable. Prepare 600 grams of boiling water. Cook the noodles for 10 minutes. While we are waiting, let's make the dipping sauce. Today I'm using a medium light roast coffee from Bali, Indonesia. Using 23 grams of coffee to extract 55 to 60 grams of espresso. This Bali coffee has a floral notes and citrus notes when you roast to medium light color. And I choose medium light roast coffee for this recipe so that the dipping sauce will have a less bitter taste. Because medium light roast coffee only extracts sweetness and acidity. Now the extraction is done, leave it aside for 4 minutes. Okay, after 4 minutes, we transfer this dipping sauce to a bigger glass. Add 50 grams of palm sugar syrup. I have a video to show you how to make palm sugar syrup. You can go check it out. Next, squeeze quarter lemon inside and then add 100 grams of ice cube. Now we stir until the sauce becomes really cold. Then we take it out the leftover ice cube. Back to the noodle. Now the noodle is done, shock the hot noodle into a ball of ice. This will make the noodle become chewy. Stir the noodle until it becomes really cold. And you can see there's some white color frozen fat that float on the top. Therefore, wash the noodle in the water again, then back to the ice again. For plating, put a lot of ice cubes on the plate. And place this wooden mat that usually used for making sushi roll on the top of the ice cubes. Place the chilled noodle on the top. Pour the spicy sweet and sour espresso dipping sauce in the bowl and place the bowl beside the noodles. I have some Bonito fish flakes. Put that on the top of the noodles. And sprinkle with some toasted black and white sesame seeds. Here you go. Shin Ramyun with spicy, sweet, and sour espresso dipping sauce. Done. Okay, let's try the noodle. Dip it inside. The noodle is pretty chewy. I can taste the spiciness, sweetness, and the sourness going on and on inside my mouth. One more time. Overall, this recipe works. You should try at home.